Today we're going to talk about percents and how to model percents. So the word percent means, so if you separate the word percent, per, have you ever heard of like per person, per apple, per can? The word per means for every one, right? So like if I say per person, that means for every person. If I say per apple, that means for each apple. So the word per means for every one. Okay. The word cent, think of cent as in the word century. Century is 100 years old. Or centimeter, which centimeter equals 100 because you need 100 centimeters to equal 1 meter. So the word cent, the root word cent, equals 100. So then this means, if you put it together, for every 100, right? So percent means it's out of 100, for every 100. So 26% would mean for every 100, you've got 26. Here's a picture. This grid is broken into 100 pieces. And so if you need to model 26%, well, 26% would be 26 out of 100. Therefore, you would have to shade 26 of these squares. So we would have to shade one whole strip, that's 10%. This would be 20% because that's 20 out of 100. And then we need 26, right? So then we need to shade 6 more. Okay? So what would the decimal be? Well, since percent is 26 out of 100, the decimal would be 26 hundredths. And the fraction, well, percents are out of 100, so the fraction would be 26 over 100, 26 hundredths. We do need to simplify this fraction. That would be, you could divide it by 2 over 2, and that would give us 13 over 50. And that would be our simplified fraction. All right. Now let's say I changed it up just a little bit. Let's say instead of 26%, I had 26.5%, which is the same thing as 26.5%. If it were 26.5%, then I would have to shade all 26 and then that extra half of a percent. I would shade that in. So that would be 26.5%.